Hey guys, this is Baxter again, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to download the Zoom application. This is necessary if you want to join or host meetings with your family or friends. So first, you're going to want to go to Google or Internet Explorer or whatever internet browser you have and type in Zoom download. Press enter. Now, the first link you're going to see is Download Center Zoom. So you just want to click on that. This is going to take you to the main website of Zoom. What you want to download today is the Zoom client for meetings. This is what's going to let you join your Zoom meeting. So you go to the big blue button that says download and click it once. This is going to make this thing pop up in the corner of your screen. Now, after this is done loading, click this once. And this is going to be what's going to let you install Zoom. So you can read through this. It just describes kind of what Zoom is and what it's for. Then you press continue. It's going to tell you how much storage it takes up on your computer, which isn't that important. So then press install. And then it's going to ask you for the password to your computer. So make sure you know what this is because that's important to be able to install it. And once you've typed in your password, go ahead and click Install Software. Basically, everything is just loading, and now it tells me that the installation was successful. So you can go ahead and close this out. This is going to ask you if you want to move Zoom installer to the trash. You don't need that anymore, so you can move this to the trash. So click Move to Trash. And then it will automatically open up the Zoom application. So yeah, that's about how you do it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below or email us at the email in the description. Thank you very much. Have a good one.